What's up, you guys? We got another PS5 in today that we're gonna fix. So let me throw it under the microscope so you can see what I see. Alright, if you guys look here, you can see that this port is a little shaken up, a little damaged. I think these 19 pins might be a little loose. You can definitely tell from the outside that it's chipped and broken. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start the repair here. You can already tell it's busted just from looking at it right there, but yeah, those pins on the inside are all twisted and messed up. Alright, so let's start this off by putting some of this aluminum tape around the areas that we don't want any damage to occur, any of the small components to fly off. This tape will help prevent that, and honestly I think it's a must. So I'm going to place this over the diode and capacitors that you see there underneath the HDMI port. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put some flux on these 19 pins, and I'm going to hit it with some solder. Alright, so we covered up that small microfarad capacitor there. I think it might even be picofarad. That thing does not affect your signal whatsoever, so if you do lose it in your repair, don't worry about it. I'm probably going to try to save it anyway, but yeah, don't stress it. There it is. Oh, this is going to be tough. Okay, got it. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Alright, awesome. You know what, you guys? I think I'm going to put this on at the end. Okay, let me get that out of the way. Alright, now that that's off, sorry about that. I'll probably cut that out. I'm going to flip this over. Put some flux on these 4 pins here. First, let's get rid of this little pad. I'm going to put on some of this tape. Alright, let's put this little cap back on here. Alright. Now let's clean it up, reassemble, and see how this works. Remember, it's not always just the port. Sometimes people will break their port after already having an issue, like blue light of death, power issues, white light of death, which could be related to the Panasonic chip right here, or those filters. So hey, make sure that you don't damage your system after you're having other issues, or else you're just going to make yourself have to pay more for the repair. Or if you're a tech and you know what you're doing, always test the system beforehand as much as you possibly can, so you isolate the issue and don't waste your time or your client's time. Right. Solid. Might not look the prettiest, but it's gonna work. And I think it's gonna be stronger than factory, to quote Northridge Fix. Oh, yep, good to go. You know what, let's clean up the other side. That flux is non-corrosive, so I'm going to leave that on those ground pins there. Everything should be fine. So this PS5 is ready to be reassembled, and we're going to test it out and see how that repair went. Thanks.